Opposites are drawn to each other, and so reality itself emerges from the eternal dance between light and darkness. This is how the universe was created, from light and darkness. These two are the core elements from where everything starts. Light represents all these properties, including the color white, matter, heat, motion, positive, and other similar forms. In contrast, darkness represents these elements opposite of light, such as the color black, space, cold, stillness, negative. This describes the universe's formation through the dynamic interplay between light and darkness, leading to the creation of three forms of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Solids derive most of their properties from the qualities of darkness, such as stillness, darker color, density, and coldness. In contrast, gases inherit many of their characteristics from light, such as greater motion, higher temperature, and lighter color. Then there is liquid, specifically water, which represents and derived from the balanced state between solid and gas. Further, these elemental qualities evolve into more complex forms, which are sound, visual, force, flavor, odors, and to receive them giving rise to living beings and their sensory perceptions: hearing, sight, touch, taste, and smell. These senses, in turn, give birth to emotions such as sadness, happiness, anger, empathy, etc., eventually shaping the language or consciousness. Now, where does these thoughts in your mind or consciousness altogether that originated from the interplay of light and space would convert to? The thoughts cannot just disappear, right? It'll further convert into something like it did until now, wouldn't it? Yes, it's ultimately creating the reality itself. It is all a cycle. So, we've addressed the question of origin, of where everything ultimately comes from. It begins with space and light, which are the fundamental elements that the brain cannot simply erase or ignore. It cannot unsee light and darkness even when eyes closed or while asleep, as you'll always be dreaming. Your mind is capable of processing all forms of logic, so this inability to unsee light and dark suggests that they are the eternal truths, the core elements of existence itself. But since it's a cycle, there is no true beginning and have core elements, but at the same time any point within it can be seen as a beginning and considered core elements. Because think about it, is it the darkness and light creating the consciousness, or our thoughts are creating the light and darkness, or from other points? So it is clear, the universe began from everything.